Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. Today we're going to be making a Glam Brooch Bridal Bouquet. And so what you're going to need a pack of these rhinestone brooches. And this is the silver rhinestone embellishment pack. This is a bulk pack, so it comes in a pack of 100 brooches, and these are from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is the online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you're going to need also, I have some picks that I've created from some floral stems, which are laurel stems here, and then eucalyptus stems. And I just kind of separated them out to create these picks. And also I have some of this silver glitter. All of these items are from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now what you're going to need from Michael's, you'll need two different kinds. I've got two different kinds of ribbon, but you'll only need one. And this is just a silver glitter ribbon, and then another silver kind of an iridescent ribbon. Not sure which one I'll need or which one I'll go with. Now from Walmart, I've got this cone here, styrofoam cone, and I also have this pack here that contains two 3.8-inch styrofoam balls. And then I have some silver paint, crafting paint. Now I'm going to be using some tacky glue as well, and this I picked up at Dollar Tree. And of course we'll need hot glue. But if you want to make any components on this bridal bouquet permanent, you really need to use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that would help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to create this beautiful bridal bouquet. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this Glam Brooch Bridal Bouquet turn out absolutely beautifully? And this is so easy to make. You can use this brooch bouquet for any number of events, weddings, special events, centerpieces on a special event table. It is super easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share my videos with your friends. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.